Welcome to chartforecaster.com. I'm Kyle, and in today's video, we're going to do an Oklo update and see how the prediction that we made 5 days ago on Oklo did. We were predicting that there was going to be a breakout or something like that. So let's just check on this prediction, January 10th, 1544 hours UTC time, 5 days ago. We were calling for volatility spikes, breakouts, or pauses on this date and time. Now, you can see that the price action absolutely ripped off exactly. This is all UTC time. But you can see here's Saturday, and the open, which was Monday, January 12th, we got that drop off. We got that increased volatility. We got that breakdown, just like chartforecaster.com was telling us. Now, this was a very interesting move, and we are also seeing a couple other things on the charts here that I'll tell you about in just a second. First and foremost, Oklo is an energy company. They are building nuclear reactors that operate off of waste byproduct from nuclear waste byproduct. And so this is kind of like a recycling that into clean energy. And I do think that there's going to be a tremendous demand for this energy as these data centers, as all these Bitcoin mining farms keep scaling. They need more energy. The world just needs more energy, and it needs to be cheap. So with that said, even the CEO of NVIDIA recently said they could do so much more, but we need more energy. And what he means by that is they could probably crank out chips that could be 10x from what they are cranking out right now, but it would simply probably break the energy grids and things like that around the world, just simply because they're not built up yet. When I look at we'll just look at a 1 hour chart here. We're looking at somewhat of a falling wedge at this point in time off this tremendous spike. And it is looking like we could possibly see maybe a little bounce off this 50 moving average, which would be very nice. So hopefully we can get a little bit of a bounce here, and that would be great. But if this falling wedge kind of breaks down, we could see this thing kind of hover back down to this 200 moving average as well. But right now, Chart Forecaster is telling us that be on the lookout because January 14th, we've got a momentum peak area. And if you look at this, chartforecaster.com, last time we had a momentum peak area, it nailed down to the hour, down to the day when this happened. So it's going to be interesting to see what happens on that trading day. And maybe we'll see a nice explosive rally up to that point. So if that falling wedge does produce, we might see a momentum area on that date and time too, and then we might know that it's time to short or something like that. And also on January 18th, 1952 hours, approximately, we're seeing a double confirmation. It's saying market low or high, and a common reversal point. So that is something to be on the lookout for next week. But what we'll do is examine the Oklo chart just a little bit more. We'll sneak on over to this 12-hour chart. And you can see the RSI is way up there. And I do think that we could be gearing up to see maybe somewhat of a drawback to fill out this right shoulder. If we end up getting this inverse head and shoulders here, we could end up getting, some people might construe it as like a cup and handle or something like that. But if we see that handle maybe come and form down here, get a bounce off this 50 moving average, we might expect the price to reach back up to about that $155 level within a few months. If we see this really max out, I do feel like we could revisit some of these 190s level. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video on Oklo, and I'm going to be waiting for this market low or high, the momentum peak area on January 14th at 1900 UTC time before I make any decisions on what I'm going to do next. So if this thing rips up, I'll probably short it around that area, but just for like a minute. So if you guys liked this video, hit that subscribe button, like the video. It helps the algorithm, guys. Let me know in the comments section, what do you think is going to happen for energy needs worldwide in the next 5 years? Are we going to be able to keep up at the current pace that we're at without these nuclear reactors? I feel like energy could be a significant factor in progression with AI, things like that, all these data centers. So I'm keeping a close eye on Oklo, and we'll see you guys on the next video.